Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to fix Pokemon Go if it keeps crashing. Follow these steps and let's get you back to catching Pokemon. First, close Pokemon Go completely, including from the background. Reopen the app and see if it still crashes. A simple restart can often resolve minor issues. Next, make sure Pokemon Go is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and look for any available updates. Updating to the latest version can often fix crashing problems, since updates include important bug fixes. For Android users, clearing the app's cache can help. Go to Settings, tap Apps, App Management, find Pokemon Go. Then go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache. This will not delete any game data, but it can resolve issues with temporary files. A lack of storage can cause apps to crash. Check your device storage and delete any unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Pokemon Go runs smoother when your device has enough room to operate. Ensure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Poor internet can cause the app to freeze or crash. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. On some Android devices, you can turn on battery saver mode in Pokemon Go. This lowers the app's resource usage and can reduce crashes on devices that struggle with high performance settings. If the problem continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling Pokemon Go. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store, delete the app and download it again. Reinstalling often clears persistent bugs and issues. Finally, ensure your device meets the minimum requirement to run Pokemon Go. The game might not work well on older or low specifications devices. Check the game's official requirements to be sure. And that's it. With these steps, Pokemon Go should be running smoothly again. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.